Okay, the first step is we got to get rid of some of this powder coat paint, so it's going to kind of scrape it off. Doesn't have to be 100%, but make room for the wheels to fit on there properly. That's probably all we need to do. Check it with a wheel, no problem. And we're going to put some grease on. Put the wheel on, and we'll do the same thing to the other side. And we can do that with all four wheels. Then we take our frames, and they are faced away from each other in this manner. So what we'll do, we'll just put one of the just let it run. I can fix it later. Put the front axle in, and we'll start one of these 3/8 lock nuts. Make her tight. Won't go very far. Sideways here. Put this side on. Same idea. Okay. That's the first step. Now we're going to take the nose piece, set it there. Should line up with two 5/16 bolts and nuts on each side. Finger tight, just kind of wiggle them in there. Two. Now for a 30-gallon drum, you're going to want this X strap. Notice that they're not the same length, and you're going to want the shorter hole spacing facing upward, and then bolt them to the same. I don't need any sound to this. Just jiggle it in there, and oh, these nuts are slippery. There we go. You have to force it there a little bit. That's your 30 gallons. See, that makes room for the smaller drum to fit. Okay, now you take your other axle and get that started. Now this is the hard part. You just have to get it in there and kind of force it down, and then get your other nut started. So you tighten, then you can start tightening up all your bolts and try to go alternate from left and right to help keep things straight. There's that, and then we'll go back and forth to the other axle. The other axle, 1/2-inch socket, and we'll start tightening the nose piece to the front. Back and forth, alternate left and right. And I would say, yeah, make sure all four wheels are even on the floor, and tighten down the final 4 bolts of the back strap. Okay, to load the 40, I'm going to use the model 31.
So the first step is to get this nose piece underneath the bottom of the drum, and I'm going to ask my friend to help tip the drum back so I can get it underneath there. Okay, let her down. And we'll take that same 31, rest it in there. I'm going to put my foot up here because this is a pretty heavy drum, and just pull it over. And that's all there is to it.